10 reasons for car accidents. Car accidents are a serious problem worldwide, and there are numerous reasons why they occur. Here are 10 of the most common reasons for car accidents and an explanation of each. Distracted driving. One of the leading causes of car accidents is distracted driving, which can include anything from texting while driving to eating or drinking behind the wheel. When drivers are distracted, they are less able to react to changing road conditions and are more likely to cause an accident. Speeding, driving too fast for the road conditions, is another major cause of car accidents. Speeding increases the likelihood of losing control of the vehicle, reduces the amount of time available to react to hazards, and increases the severity of accidents when they occur. Drunk driving. Driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol is a leading cause of car accidents. Impaired drivers have slower reaction times, reduced coordination, and impaired judgment, all of which increase the risk of accidents. Reckless driving. Drivers who engage in reckless behavior, such as weaving in and out of traffic or failing to yield to other vehicles, are more likely to cause accidents. Reckless driving can also include tailgating, ignoring traffic signals, and failing to signal before turning. Poor weather conditions, rain, snow, and fog can all make driving conditions more hazardous, reducing visibility and increasing the likelihood of losing control of the vehicle. Drivers should adjust their speed and driving habits to match the road conditions. Fatigue. Driving while tired can impair reaction times and reduce awareness of the surroundings. Fatigue can also lead to falling asleep behind the wheel, which can be extremely dangerous. Mechanical failure. Car accidents can also be caused by mechanical failures, such as brake or tire failure. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent these types of accidents. Inexperienced drivers. Inexperienced drivers, such as newly licensed teenagers, are more likely to cause accidents due to their lack of experience and judgment. Road construction and debris. Road construction and debris on the roadway can cause accidents by forcing drivers to swerve or change lanes suddenly. Poor road conditions. Poorly maintained roads, including potholes, uneven surfaces, and inadequate lighting, can also cause car accidents. Local authorities should maintain the roads to minimize these risks. In conclusion, car accidents can be caused by a variety of factors, many of which are preventable. By staying alert, obeying traffic laws, and practicing safe driving habits, we can all help reduce the risk of accidents and make the roads safer for everyone.